my name is Wan Jing, and here's my presentation on cloud gaming. In this presentation, I would like to first talk about my domain, some hypotheses I have on how to solve this problem within my domain. Next, I will showcase a related research. Then I'll share my testing and my solution. Lastly is my result. Along with that, where would the project go next? As internet get progressively more popular and common for everyone, mobile gaming had become one of the most accessible form of entertainment. As of 2021, there are about 2.7 million gamers worldwide, and cloud gaming had become one of the most mainstream technology in game development. Cloud gaming refers to the offloading in-game information. These data will transfer to a cloud server and render the game scene as a video stream back to the user. It allows clients to play games on their phone regardless of what specification they have, as the only requirement is a server that is capable to reside on the cloud. However, one problem that game developers face is latency. Respawn time can be varied depending on the device player is using. Like mobile device is more at risk with the connectivity issue. Multiplayer games are more affected by latency because they require high player interaction, and competitive aspect of the game can be loose. Up on that, there are more reasons why latency has occurred. One of the major reasons is poor internet connection. Cloud gaming requires a broadband internet connection. The average required download speed for a cloud gaming service is 10 megabytes per second. For internet connection in our case, mobile data is unstable. It won't be able to do cloud gaming effectively. Another reason is long distance of data transfer. Data doesn't travel instantaneously. It is still limited by the speed of light, by the weight of fiber optic connection. It also takes time for data package to be routed from local to the data center. Therefore, the further the package has to travel, the more latency it has. Along with that, other causes of latency are like outdated hardware and slow CPUs. Unlike gaming on PC, gaming on mobile is a lot different. Mobile devices do not have a large storage. It have the ability to allow users to access it anytime, anywhere. For that reason, mobile devices are perfectly suited for cloud gaming. However, in this perfect combination, there are many flaws. Like we stated previously, mobile phones aren't able to continuously capture fast internet and high-speed data. Therefore, latency problems are more prominent in mobile device. As a gamer myself, I frequently have situation like this, that from latency in mobile games. So I was curious on how I can fix the problem. There are several ways to solve this problem as shown, but the solution I propose is combining 5G network with cloud gaming. While it might cost more overall, but having the minimum requirement of 5G connection would reduce the number of issues that a gamer would encounter. So for related research, I use an article called Placing Virtual Machine to Optimize Cloud Gaming Experience. from Khan and his teammate. They carry out measurement studies to calculate quality of experience model. An algorithm is developed to solve the optimized problem, and they also have other solution for cloud gaming service with dedicated infrastructure. Through their prototype system, their ideas seem to work effectively on both gamer quality of experience and the provider's net profit. About 20,000 server and 40,000 gamers can be handled on the same time. And with more profits to the service provider, it would help expand the service itself and allow more services to scatter around the world, which in our case, this would help gamers to gain better experience due to the less travel distance for the data. So moving on to my testing, 5G network is meant to deliver high multi-gigabytes data speed with really low latency and increase the network capacity along with the availability and more uniform user experience. For testing, I recorded the speed of the data and the FPS that is being delivered between 5G and LET data. The 5G system is able to significantly lower the streaming latency to as little as 1 milliseconds while delivering more data in more ultra high definition. This ensures the visuality no delays in streaming or no response time and make it possible to play more immersive games on a 5G enabled mobile phone. With my research, I was able to find other successful cases according to Root Mattress, a company that is associated with the responsive of mobile network. The reaction time between a user's request and an action in 5G is substantially faster than in previous generation. In multiplayer games, it is crucial with more players staying in sync became more difficult, which is a problem that between the gamer and their squad to operate together. So in their research, all players will be able to play as a unit if they use 5G network. And overall, the combination of 5G network and cloud gaming has significantly increased gamers' experience compared to other network. And in several technological reports are that are connected to cloud gaming, despite that the fact that a specialized 5G system for cloud gaming has yet been produced, but I think that's where the next step should be. And yeah, thank you so much.